Imagine someone asks you where is the car, or where is the phone, where is the laptop, where is the clock, where is the man, or where is the scarf. Can you answer these questions? In order to answer these questions, you have to understand the prepositions of place, which are very important to help you to describe the location of things and people. Okay, and today inshallah we will learn these prepositions in this video. Salam everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am teacher Ibrahim Jamal. So today in this video we will learn the prepositions in, on, under, between, next to, behind, and in front of. Number 3 preposition is in. What's the meaning of in? In means inside something, بداخل شيء. For example, I am in the room. Okay, the pen is in my pocket. We can say the bird is in the cage. The sun is in the sky. Okay, where is the man? We can say the man is in the car. Okay, we can say if someone asks you where is your father, you can say my father in the house. Okay, also we use in with countries, cities, and continent. For example, I am in Sana'a. She is in America. He lives in Palestine. Next to means بجانب. For example, we can say my house is next to the pharmacy. The car is next to the house. All right. For I am next to the chair. I am next to the chair. The boy is next to the dog. I am next to the dog. All right. Next to means بجانب. The prepositions on. What's the meaning of on? On means على. For example, we can say the cell phone is on the laptop. The cat is on the car. The bird is on the shelf. The scarf is on the chair. The emoji is on the shelf. Okay, على. For example, when we say on means على. Is between. What's the meaning of between? Between means بين شيئين. For example, we can say the cell phone is between the ruler and the laptop. Between. Where is the cell phone? We can say the cell phone is between the laptop and the ruler. Example, we can say the house is between the pharmacy and the hospital. Okay. Another example, we can say Palestine is between Syria and Jordan. I am between the man and the car. I am between the man and the car. Front of. What's the meaning of in front of? Means مواجه, face to face. For example, I am in front of the camera. Okay, I am in front of the camera. the cat is in front of the dog. Okay, I am the girl is in front of the door. Okay, مواجه. For example, I am in front of you. For example, the prepositions behind. What's the meaning of behind? Means خلف. For example, the wall is behind me. I am behind the car. Okay, the cat is behind the car. Under. What's the meaning of under? Under means تحت. For example, we can say the man is under the shelf. The man is under the shelf. The cat is under the car. Now I will give you some exercises to help you to understand more about prepositions. Try to answer them one by one, and inshallah you will understand all of them. And let's start the exercises. By understanding these prepositions, your language will be precise, making English easier for others to understand your thought and ideas. Thank you for watching. See you inshallah next time with another lesson.